Our new brand, Wagoneer concept marks the first step in the rebirth of Wagoneer, a true and rare premium American icon, said Christian Meunier, global president of the Jeep brand, FCA. With the electrification of each Jeep nameplate coming in the next few years and the reintroduction of Wagoneer, we are quickly expanding into new segments and more premium space. Wagoneer is unquestionably rooted in the legendary Jeep brand and its unmatched heritage of leading capability, authenticity and freedom, and its return allows us to expand to a much more premium arena with new levels of design detail and advanced safety and technology features, Meunier added. While Jeep vehicles bring leading capability, efficiency and performance across the mainstream SUV market, Wagoneer will ultimately become a portfolio of vehicles that will once again define American premium, making it the standard of sophistication, authenticity and modern mobility. The brand Wagoneer concept boasts a wide array of leading-edge premium technology, including an electrified powertrain, sophisticated 4x4 off-road systems, and a first-ever passenger screen in an SUV that is part of an unmatched selection of upscale, premium interior features. For more than a quarter century, the first Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer created a new segment for American consumers as the ultimate premium SUV of its day, Meunier said. The new Grand Wagoneer concept is our vision of what a modern expression of this timeless icon can be, and hints at how we will redefine and recreate the benchmark premium SUV. Born in America in 1962 for the 1963 model year, Wagoneer was the first four-wheel drive vehicle mated to an automatic transmission, pioneering the first modern SUV. The 1984 Grand Wagoneer marked the beginning of the premium SUV, giving buyers an unheard of combination of standard features, such as leather upholstery, air conditioning, AM, FM, CB stereo radios and added sound insulation, with a dramatic increase in horsepower and torque. When the production version of the Grand Wagoneer arrives next year, it will boast class-leading capability courtesy of 3 available 4x4 systems and the renowned Quadra lift air suspension, premium driving dynamics with an independent front and rear suspension, unmatched towing capability, powerful performance, advanced technology, safety and connectivity, a new level of comfort and best-in-class overall passenger volume, all wrapped in a stunning, elegant new design. An all-new Jeep Grand Wagoneer concept, introduced in Detroit, marks the rebirth of a classic and premium American icon, providing a vision of what the modern expression of the original, ultimate premium SUV can be. The Grand Wagoneer concept boasts a wide array of premium technology including an electrified powertrain, sophisticated 4x4 off-road systems, and a first-ever passenger screen in an SUV. Additionally, with the Grand Wagoneer nameplate features, for the first time ever, a third row. As a nod to its manufacturing home and the brand's headquarters, the concept's full-pane glass roof houses a map showcasing Detroit and the surrounding area. Production versions of the Jeep Grand Wagoneer are slated to arrive in showrooms later this year for the North American market, while Europe and China will receive it early next year. The LED pattern forms an outline to the grille that emphasizes the width and overall front fascia of the Grand Wagoneer concept. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer concept's exterior design is anchored by a prominent obsidian black accented grille featuring the Jeep brand's iconic 7 slots. Each slot features lightweight latticework, while the space above and between each of the 7 slots is lit to create a signature LED design. This LED pattern forms an outline to the grille that emphasizes the width and overall front fascia of the Grand Wagoneer concept. Dipped in a stunning new Arctic Ice exterior paint, directly above the grille sits raised illuminated letters spelling out the word Wagoneer. The design team created a custom-made font for all of the concept's exterior lettering. On either side of the grille, sits twin bifunctional LED projector headlamps that are cradled by teak wood with obsidian black aluminum front skid plate and accented front tow hooks. The LED taillamps are wrapped from the rear quarter panel to the back of the vehicle, giving it a more upscale appearance. A subtle rear diffuser sits below the power tailgate and aids in the vehicle's aerodynamics by guiding air for maximum efficiency. The Grand Wagoneer concept SUV stands on 24-inch, multi-spoke, obsidian-finished aluminum wheels. A 12.3-inch driver information display behind the steering wheel, a 12.1-inch horizontal touchscreen serves as the main display screen in the center console, with a 10.25-inch horizontal comfort display touchscreen below, separated by aluminum wing that controls the seats and the 4-zone climate control. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer concept offers a grand interior for up to 7 passengers thanks to its spacious, comfortable front and second row captain's chairs, as well as its third row, a first for the Grand Wagoneer. The spaciousness of the premium interior is enhanced by large glass windows that offer greenhouse-like views. Many of the interior elements pay tribute to the rich history of the Grand Wagoneer, such as the two-spoke steering wheel. Opening the driver's door reveals the outer edge of the instrument panel that features an inscription, Est 1963, that pays homage to the first model year of the original Wagoneer. A 12.3-inch driver information display behind the steering wheel, a 12.1-inch horizontal touchscreen serves as the main display screen in the center console, with a 10.25-inch horizontal comfort display touchscreen below, separated by aluminum wing that controls the seats and the 4-zone climate control. Additionally, a 10.25-inch passenger screen provides the front passenger with dynamic touchscreen control. The technology-rich interior is powered by FCA's all-new Uconnect 5 system as well. The LED tail lamps are wrapped from the rear quarter panel to the back of the vehicle, giving it a more upscale appearance. The Grand Wagoneer concept features a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle powertrain system, in line with the Jeep brand's plans to offer electrification options on all models in the next few years. More details will be announced closer to the launch.
Raindrop, truck top, top smoking, no cooking the hot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.